Welcome back! Congratulations on getting through the first quiz and the first paper. Alright, video 2 time. So, pretty straightforward, honestly. An adjustment here, just realized how low that was. Alright, so video 2 here, just a quick thing, it says for exercises 1 and 2, for the worksheet, what you're going to be doing is you're going to do something like this. Determine whether it's parallelogram. So I have variables in here. I can do 2 ways. I can say, for what value would it work, or verify. And this is when I'm saying verify. So if I said x is a 9 and y is equal to 11, prove it works. Notice these are angles. What do we know about angles? Opposite angles have to be congruent for it to be a parallelogram. So if I plug 9 in here, I better get the same answers here. So what's 8 times 9? 8x is equal to 72. So 72 degrees there. Let's check x squared minus 9 degrees. If I put 9 in there, 9 times 9, or 9 squared is 81. Minus 9 is 72. Sweet! So far, so good. These opposite angles are congruent. If these are congruent, then it's parallelogram. If not, it's not. Let's check. 9 times 11, 99. Plus 9, 108. Cool. Ooh, is that enough information right there? And the truth is, it is. Because why? 72 and 108 is supplementary. 72 and 108 is supplementary. Remember, one of the definitions was, if one angle is supplementary to its 2 consecutive angles, therefore it's parallelogram. Boom, it's already a parallelogram. But let's plug it in here just to verify. 9 times 10, 11 times 10, 110 minus 2, 108. Sweet. So 10y minus 2 degrees is also 108. The opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, it's parallelogram. You might want to pause for a second. I'm sorry, I know I'm talking fast. I just got to get this done. Whew! Don't ever fall out of a chair while you're laughing and hit your head. Trust me, it's not worth it. All right, so next up, if I give you this, I'm going to say what value of x makes this a parallelogram. So 2x plus 7, x minus 8, 2x minus 7, x plus 8, and 2y plus 4, and 6y minus, 10. Okay, so I've got this, right? What value of x and y makes parallel? Wow, that is a really bad picture. Whew! Don't go off the drawing, kids, because that just don't trust it. All right, cool. So let's check. So 2x minus 7 has to equal x plus 8. So subtract the x. So x minus 7 equals 8. So x equals 15. So x equals 15 makes it work. If we check, 15 plus 8 is 23. 2 times 15 is 30, minus 7 is 23. Bam! So 15 works. Then 2y plus 4 has to equal 6y minus 10. So 4 is equal to 4y minus 10. 14 equals 4y. If 14 over 4 equals y, so 7 halves equals y. And some of you will want to say 3.5. And you'll say, Rockhold, is decimal okay? Yes, it is. The only time I don't like decimals, remember, is if they are long-term, not ending really quick, that sort of thing. That's when I don't like decimals. I don't mind a decimal that ends pretty quickly, like 3.5, that's fine. 3.5 is fine. That 7 half, it's all the same to me. Okay, you guys know that. All right, good luck on the. Ooh, nope, that's not it. Oh, sorry. Ooh, whew, I got ahead of myself. Sorry. So the last thing you need to be able to check is if I give you a set of coordinates, you can just determine if it's a parallelogram or not. You have choices on here, okay? I'll tell you my choice, you tell me yours. So, if I give you the coordinate points there, 2, 2, 1, -3, -4, 2, and -3, 7. These are the coordinate points of the 4 vertices. Is that a parallelogram? And say I call this A, B, C, D. Okay? Is A, B, C, D a parallelogram? First, I would like to plot out roughly where they are. So 2, 2. So 2, 2 would be like right about here. 1, -3 would be right about here. -4, 2 would be right about here. And -3, 7 would be right about here. Okay? So D, C, A, B. Okay? So, there's several ways to do it. Some people are going to tell you you have to do 4 calculations. You really only have to do 2. Okay? What do I mean? If you find the midpoints from both and it's the exact same, it works. There's lots of things you can do. You can find the slope. So you can find the slope, m between, so slope of AD of CB, and they should be the same, right? These 2 lines and these 2 lines should be the same slope. Then if that's true, then find the slope of CD and the slope of AB. And if these 2 are the same and these 2 are the same, then opposites parallel. So that works. You could find the length, aka distance of AD and that's CB, and those should match. And the same thing, the distance of CD and AB, and these 2 should match. That will also work. Okay? And you could find like the midpoint and the distance between the 2 to verify. But honestly, if you find the midpoint of A, so what I do though is I do midpoint of AC, the midpoint of BD. If those midpoints are the same, I've got it. So I'm going to do AC. So 2 plus -4. So I've got -2/2. So it's -1, comma. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my midpoint is -1, 2 right now. Let's check if this midpoint's the same. That midpoint's the same of BD, then it's a parallelogram. All right. So 1 plus -3. 1 plus -3. Did I plus this right? Yes. So 1 plus -3 is -2. -2 plus, or -2 divided by 2 is -1. So -2/2 is -1. And then the next one up is -3 plus 7 is 4. So 4/2, which is 2. Hey, look, these are exactly the same. It's a parallelogram. You did it, you accomplished it, all right? So it's fine, it's good, you did it right. You can do 4 calculations or 2. I know what I prefer. I'm lazy, I'm a mathematician. Don't let anybody tell you you have to do 4. This is it, okay? Don't listen to them. Be like, I know it's 2. Okay, if you listen to them, then you're a sheep. You don't be a sheep. Or unless you want to be, I mean, that's fine, it's not a judgment. All right, that's pretty much it. Yeah.